our channel for another installation day, and today in the shop we have a special guest is in for some upgrades. So what we have here is a 2025 almost brand new Lamborghini Urus Performante in for this bunch of upgrades. And right over here, what we have is the HJS downpipes and also the Eventuri carbon air intake for the Urus Performante. And because of the Urus Performante, in case if you don't know, it actually comes with the Akrapovic titanium exhaust system as a factory standard. So definitely we are not going to do any modifications on the catback exhaust system since the car already equipped with best of the best Akrapovic exhaust. So we are just going to further upgrade the car with the HJS downpipes and the Eventuri intake. And now before we begin the installation, we'll start up the Urus Performante, do a sound check, listen to how does the Akrapovic titanium raised exhaust sounds like before we have the downpipes replaced. The Eventuri intake package consists. What we have here is the enlarged carbon fiber airbox lid by Eventuri. Then also we have this carbon fiber flow collector. Right over here, there is two thermoplastic turbo inlets with dimpled inner surface that improves the performance of the air intakes, as well as two pieces of this custom-made dry cone air filters by Eventuri. And according to Eventuri officials, with this air intake system installed on the Lamborghini Urus, you will get about 14 to 20 horsepower increase, while for the torque improvements, there will be about 17 to 21 foot-pound of torque by installing this air intake on the car. Also, right over here, we have removed the factory downpipes out from the car, and these factory downpipes, they are massively huge, and also a lots of restrictions inside the catalytic converters. And these HJS cats, definitely they are more free-flowing, so it offers better performance and better sound. Paired with the Akrapovic exhaust system, it is going to sound massive. So now we'll get back to work to install the parts onto the car, and later once we have everything fitted, of course, start up the car, do a sound check, listen to how does the Akrapovic exhaust sounds like after we replace the HJS cats. And also with the Eventuri intake installed on the car, not only that you get a proper performance improvements, also it will enhance the look inside the engine bay with all these carbon fiber parts in the engine bay. Definitely looks better compared to the original engine cover, which is made out of plastic material. Alright, here we have installed the Eventuri carbon air intake and also the HJS cathode downpipes, 200 cell downpipes on this beautiful Viper green Urus Performante. And I suppose this is the very first and currently the only Lamborghini Urus Performante that has this beautiful Eventuri carbon fiber air intakes in Malaysia. So let us know in the comment sections below, what do you think about the specs, the color on this Urus Performante, and also how does the Akrapovic exhaust now sounds like after we upgraded the downpipes with the HJS 200 cell cats, as well as the Eventuri carbon air intake. How does it look like inside the engine bay? If you enjoy our content, like and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting contents in the future. We'll see you in our next video.